Hello to everybody. I'm an environmental expert, and in this video, I'll be introducing the training program titled Green Skills for the Health Sector. This course is composed by 2 modules. Module 1 is entitled The Definition of Green Skills for the Health Sector and consists of 2 lessons. Lesson 1.1, The Meaning of Green Skills in the Health Sector. And Lesson 1.2, Key Focus Areas. The Module 2 is entitled Practical Example on Green Skills Application in the Health Sector and consists of 4 lessons. Lesson 2.1, Case Study 1, One Blue Dot Project. Lesson 2.2, Case Study 2, Sustainable Medical Transport. Lesson 2.3, Case Study 3, Water Reduction for Smart Healthcare Facilities. Lesson 2.4, Case Study 4, Environmental Impact of Radiology. Let's start Module 1 with the first lesson. The meaning of green skills in the health sector. Where we'll begin by defining what green skills are. We choose 2 definitions, the first from UNIDO, on 2022, and it's the following. Green skills are the knowledge, abilities, values, and attitudes needed to live in, develop and support a sustainable and resource-efficient society. The second developed by CEDFOP 2018 that declared that green skills can range from very technical and job-specific skills to softer ones, such as responsible use of resources, which can be relevant across occupations, levels of hierarchy and sectors. There are 3 main ways in which the transition to a green economy affects needed skills. Structural changes lead to increased demand for some tasks and a decrease for others. New economic activity will create new occupations, and there will be a need for new skills profiles, qualifications and training frameworks. Many existing occupations and industries will experience greening changes to tasks within their jobs. And this will require adjustments to the current training and qualification frameworks for these occupations. Which kind of competencies the health system needs? Cognitive competencies. Skills to assess, interpret and understand both the need for change and the measures required. Interpersonal competencies. Coordination, management and business skills to facilitate holistic and interdisciplinary approaches that encompass economic, social and ecological objectives. Intrapersonal competencies. Adaptability and transferable skills that help workers learn and apply new technologies and processes required to green their jobs. Technological competencies. Quantification and monitoring of waste, energy, water, measurement of the impact, life cycle assessment, use minimization. What does green skills mean for the health sector? We consider 3 macro areas that involve the health sector, the building, the services delivered, such as blood analysis or CAT computerized axial tomography. The people, healthcare workforce and the patients. When we discuss green skills, we intend sustainability, the responsible use of the resources, and we have to understand which are the applications. What means sustainability in healthcare? Sustainable healthcare is an approach to healthcare that delivers high-quality care in an affordable way, while minimizing the impact on the environment. It entails implementing green practices across the medical sector and promoting efficient resource consumption. To implement these processes, the training of the health workforce is essential. Acquire green skills means understanding the environmental impact of the hospitals and developing a sustainable strategy within a health organization. The measurement of sustainability can be done at national or local level. National level, these are indicators that represent the situation of the entire health system and measure sustainability in terms of the performance of our health system. An example is given by all those indicators that measure the positioning of our country with respect to Goal 3 of Agenda 2030. Local level, These are indicators that focus on organizational performance and are oriented towards capturing the environmental impact of healthcare facilities. These KPI are relating to the quality, quantity, and appropriateness of health care with respect to the needs of the territory, economic and financial performance indicators, and others relating to gender equality and organizational well-being. For instance, the telemonitoring process implemented for the chronic patients, the satisfaction of the patients, the reducing access to hospitals in terms of transport pollution. At local level. Quantification and monitoring. Management systems, energy, water. Procurement and selection, goods. Impact and use minimization. Risk assessment. The same elements should be analyzed for the services. Quantification and monitoring. Management systems, energy, waste, water, other goods. Material use and impact quantification, use minimization, goods and waste. For the healthcare workforce, we need to imagine them as users and consumers, and we have to analyze the same categories. Management systems, material use and impact quantification, energy, waste, water, goods. Impact assessment and use minimization. Improve awareness on the importance on the well-being through green practices. While for the patients are relevant the service impact and quantification, material use, impact assessment. Improve awareness on the importance on the well-being through green practices. Thank you for attention.